Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a really special video. I'm going to show you guys how I create a box of press-on nails like this. You might have seen these on Instagram or Etsy. I'll be creating a box of pink nails for my friend's birthday. It's going to be super glam. It's going to have lots of rhinestones. It's going to have some nail caviar, some glitter ombre. So let's get started. First things first, I'm going to take my nail holder. This is like a little crystal thing. It's really cute, and this just sticks onto the top of this, and you can attach any nail to this using a sticky. I just take a nail sticky like this and I place it carefully without touching it too much on top of this and push down the sides. Make sure they're down there. And then I stick the nail on top of it and make sure to get rid of any air bubbles so it doesn't come off while I'm working on the nail. This comes in a set of 5, so you can do all of your nails together. So now I'm going to go ahead and stick all of my nails onto these, and then we can get started with the design. Now that I've stuck on all of the nails, how I usually do this is I take one of the stands and put it on the crystal while I'm working on each nail. So the first nail I'm going to start with today is this nail, because the middle finger is where we're going to be doing the acrylic nail, and the rest are just going to be regular gel polish. Okay, so I'm going to be using Mia's Secret monomer, and I'm also going to be using the Mia's Secret Cover Pink Acrylic Powder. This is a really cute nude pink, and it has a hint of glitter in it, which makes it perfect for more glam look. So I'm going to keep the application really thin because I want it to match the rest of the nails. Okay, now I'm going to take this pink glitter and I'm going to apply it over the tip of this nail to make it look like a glitter ombre. Okay, so you want to apply a lot at the top and gradually work your way down. Okay, now once I feel like I've applied enough glitter, I'm gonna clear cap this so that when I file into it, it doesn't disturb the glitter. So I'm gonna clean my brush really well so I don't get any glitter in my clear cap. Now I'm gonna take my Mia's Secret Clear Acrylic Powder. This is literally the best clear because it shows all your encapsulation extremely well. Now again, you wanna do a really thin layer so that this one nail doesn't look bulky next to the others. Okay, now that I know that my acrylic is dry, and the way I check that is I tap it, and that sound lets you know that it's done. I'm going to take my e-file, and I've already put a 180 grit barrel on top of this. But one of the best things about this is now you can turn it over and do the bottom of the nail too. Now while there's actually no cuticle area, you still want to make sure that the bottom free edge of the nail is really, really thin so that when they put it on their nail, it blends seamlessly into their cuticle area. I have finished with the middle finger. These are the 4 remaining nails. I'm just going to take this and cut off the nails a little bit because my friend doesn't really like wearing such long nails. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm just going to file these a little bit from the top. Okay, now that these are done being filed, I'm just going to make sure they're all the same size, and once I'm ready, I'm just going to buff these, and then we're going to come back and paint the nails. So for the first nail that I'm going to do, I'm going to be taking the ring finger. So I'm just going to take the natural nail and I'm going to paint it with some tempered no wipe top coat. And I'm going to take some of my rhinestones and I'm going to place it around the nail. Okay, once I'm satisfied with the placement of my stones, I'm just going to take some caviar and I'm going to pour it onto the nail. After this nail is done, I've attached it back to the crystal and I am going to let this cure for 60 seconds. Okay, now that my caviar and rhinestone nail is complete, I'm going to go back and paint the 3 remaining nails. I'm going to do the thumb first. I'm going to be combining these 2 colors to create kind of like an ombre effect. I'm going to be using this gel brush. I'm going to give all of these nails a coat of nude pink and then I'm going to cure them and come back and give them a coat of both of these colors mixed together. I'm going to take a little bit of this gel polish and mix it with the nude pink and apply a second coat. Okay, so that's the color that I want. These nails are now ready to be cured. Before I cure this, I am going to add a rhinestone. Okay, now for this middle finger, I want to add a more marquee stone, so I'm going to add one of these. Alright, now these are ready to be cured for 60 seconds. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. This is the entire set of nails. I think it looks super, super cute. There is the acrylic encapsulation. This is the nail caviar and rhinestones, and the rest are gel nails with rhinestones. I think it looks so cute, and I think my friend is really gonna like this set for her birthday. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera and do a set for her other hand, and when I come back, I'm gonna show you guys how I set up these nails in my box, so stay tuned. Alright you guys, now I'm back after placing all of the nails in my box. I think it looks super, super cute. Look at how that shines. This is going to be the set that, again, I'm giving my friend for her birthday. I hope she really likes it. I used double-sided tape to stick all of these nails to the box, and it makes it look really, really classy and clean. And now for my finishing touch, I'm just going to add a gemstone to my box.